7 ways to increase sperm count and increase fertility. Hi there! Welcome to Bloom! Why are we not getting pregnant? This is a common question asked by couples struggling to get pregnant. Almost 1 in every 7 couples are infertile, meaning they have been unable to have a child despite engaging in regular, unprotected sexual intercourse for a year or more. Male infertility has a role in up to half of these couples. Male infertility may be caused by insufficient sperm production, defective sperm function, or sperm delivery obstructions. Increasing sperm production may help increase your chances of having a baby. In today's video, we will go over 7 ways to increase your sperm count and fertility, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos like this and much more. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise, in addition to being beneficial to your overall health, may help to increase testosterone levels and promote fertility. Research shows that men who exercise consistently had greater testosterone levels and better sperm quality than men who don't. If you are looking to boost your fertility, you should make being physically active one of your top priorities. Number 2. Increase your vitamin C. Vitamin C is not only great for boosting your immunity, but it also helps to improve fertility. Antioxidants such as vitamin C are among the nutrients that have been scientifically demonstrated to impact sperm quality. Antioxidants are a collection of micronutrients that aid in the protection of your cells, such as sperm cells, from free radical damage. Consuming antioxidant-rich meals has been shown to boost sperm health, particularly sperm concentration and motility. Number 3. Reduce your stress. Reducing stress levels is critical in boosting male fertility. Men with high levels of stress have been reported to have reduced testosterone levels, lower sperm counts, abnormal sperm production, and reduced sperm motility. All of this has the potential to have an adverse effect on a woman's ability to conceive children. Enjoying this video? Comment down below and give us a like to support the channel. Number 4. Take vitamin D. Male and female fertility may benefit from supplementation with vitamin D. Research shows that low vitamin D levels are associated with poor sperm quality. The amount of sperm produced and the motility of sperm in men with vitamin D deficiencies were considerably lower than in individuals with normal levels of vitamin D. Number 5. Drink less alcohol. Heavy alcohol use has been identified as a key contributor to male infertility in studies. Heavy drinking is defined as having more than 5 drinks in less than 2 hours for males, or more than 15 mixed drinks in a week for women. It's worth noting, however, that low to moderate alcohol use, up to 2 drinks in one session, had no harmful effect on male fertility. Number 6. Avoid eating too much soy. Some studies show that eating a lot of soy may cause some males to be less fertile than those who avoid soy foods, according to recent research. Males who ate the most soy were found to have an average of 42 million sperm per milliliter fewer sperm than those who did not consume soy, a statistically significant difference. If you're attempting to become pregnant or increase your sperm's health, limiting your soy intake may help. Number 7. Increase zinc intake. Some studies show that zinc levels are associated with low testosterone levels, poor sperm quality, and an increased risk of male infertility. Additionally, supplementing with zinc boosts testosterone levels and sperm count in people who are zinc deficient. You've just heard 7 ways to increase your sperm count and boost fertility. If you liked this video, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.